All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome on the 14th of December. How's everybody doing? Looking good, looking good. Good to see you all. Grant, good to see you. Morning, everybody. All right, everybody ready to get started? On this lovely snowy day here in New York. Looks like Christmas is coming early. Beautiful. All right, Carrie, good to see you. Mark Miles, Agatha, Daryl, Jim, Andrea, everyone. All right, good. All right, so anyway, guys, we finished phase 3 yesterday, and I want to talk a little bit about it, and then we're going to get into what stocks that we traded yesterday. And let me tell you, this morning has obviously been making up for the whole week. One thing that we try to do when it comes to our lessons, and you'll notice when you're in class, is that, every month, when we teach you how to graph yourself and do your journals, and we have these custom, Excel sheets, spreadsheets, and that manage your trading and everything. You'll notice that like December is where things start slowing down a little bit. And, it's nothing like September, October, and November. So when you look at your journals, and you look at some of the trades and the stock watch list and all that, and then you saw what happened yesterday, we didn't have that much action yesterday. We really, really tried to push it to try to find a little here and there. But one thing we learned, which is the hardest thing to do, which I think is the most educational thing to do, is that if you guys were making a lot of money, believe me, nobody would need education, right? But with here, because obviously great traders never stop learning, but it's not about the winners. The winners take care of themselves. It's the losers that you have to learn, and we learned a lot about the Cyber Trading University's 30-second rule. We learned a lot about shakes, and let me tell you, we saw a lot of stocks that we lost money on, and if we didn't get out of those positions, we would have lost almost 5-10 times worse. And you know how many of you have been there? When I asked everybody that question, you all said, "Oh my God, I've been in there," and that's one of the main reasons why I'm here. And that's one of the big things you got to learn being here at CTU. So that was a great lesson. If you missed any of them, once again, they were recorded, and you'll be able to access them today for all the gold, platinum, and diamond students. Okay. Now, what happened yesterday, like I said, there's nothing to brag about. There were a couple of stocks that did move pretty well. VRX had a tank, and it went right up. Now it's on the way down. I thought it was a good swing trade. Apparently, I don't know what's up with it, but it's been up pretty big. But it's got major support levels here around 21. Let's see if it holds. If not, as a swing trade, I'm out. Okay, I'm not interested in that trade. Another one that did pretty well, the DPW. DPW, you see here in the long-term trade, stock from $1 to $6. We had some good volatility on that one. Once again, not as attractive as what we would expect. AEMD also had a good move. You could see it went from $1 to $1.50. So it wasn't. We tried, we did whatever we can. There wasn't that much action on it. But let me tell you, this morning, oh my God, you guys cleaned up today. All right, who made money today so far this morning? Because I was counting dollars, okay? Benito, you made a killing today, right, on the TEVA? Killed on 2 trades. This is what we're talking about. And by the way, this is what it's all about, waking up early in the morning. Early bird gets a worm. 8:30, you know what? You had this big pop, and TEVA went from $15.60 all the way to $19. You could see I had a 3-shake bounce. We talked about that in class, and you saw how it broke out right there at $17.80. Boom, right to $19. Guess what? Honestly, some of you made so much money today, you should already be calling it a day. All right? It's already pretty much done when it comes to it. What else? And then also but listen, I still have that on the watch list. All right. So the TEVA is still is going to go hopping on my watch list. SMIT, another one. Look at this, up 67%. Got the 8:30 move right there. Like we said, early bird gets a worm, guys. That's why I tell you got to be in here early. And I'm talking like you be here at 8:30. I'm talking about be here at 8:15. Get in the room, and you can see right there. 350 to 450, 425. Come on. This stock was so much easier to trade than TVA. You don't need the big mover, but you did great on that one. So that one did pretty well, SMIT. All right, and then we know a little bit about the LC. LC right there, I held it. I guess whatchamacallit made a comment about it. Who said something about it? Not Benito. Who did it? Oh, Dan said. Dana said. I see that a new Form U4 was filed, and the news is that another 10% director bought 21.1 million shares worth of $85 million worth of stock. Very interesting. All right, so we got that one on our watch list also. All right, let's go through this really quick and see what else we got going on here. We have the MBOT up 14%, 500,000 shares already traded pre-market, right up our alley. We have SRX, not really interested in that one. Mark is pretty good, MARK. 9%, 43,000 shares, nice little push, $10 resistance. Look at the iceberg orders. That pretty much does that. Losers, hopping over here. CRTO, nice little downtrend. Probably get a nice little short on that one. Everything else looks garbage. TEVA, we already know about. AMPE, not too complete, up 5%, not the greatest. And then we have probably a nice little short in the PIR, PIR. Now, listen, everyone's talking about the news this morning about the buyout regarding about Disney, and Century 21, Century 21 Fox. I don't know. You could see, guys, this is doesn't help us. All right. I know the Star Wars movie's coming out and everything and so on, but listen, less risk, more reward. Made a hell of a lot more money trading the other stocks than this one. All right. So anything I'm missing, I did not call out. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's about it. All right. So guys, listen. Today is Thursday. Christmas is right around the corner, so I expect it probably being a little bit slow going into tomorrow. People taking off the weekend, so today's going to be our last hump day. So let's see what we can get out of it. And I know we have a lot of new trial members, like all the staff here and all the students here at CTU. Just sit back, look, listen, and learn. All right, guys. Listen. Good luck today. We'll be doing our next audio broadcast at 2:30. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading, everyone.